Lamont. I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including LinkedIn in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose, available from in30minutes.com. And today I'm going to be talking about how to get rid of those irritating who's viewed your profile email messages and notifications from LinkedIn that show up in your email inbox. And I know that this is a huge irritation for people. Just a quick disclaimer, what I'm about to show you in LinkedIn may look a little bit different for you depending on when you're watching the video or how you have LinkedIn set up. And of course, you need to follow LinkedIn's terms and conditions. So here is basically, actually, I'm going to start here. Here's what I'm talking about. I get these regular notifications from LinkedIn. You know, see who has viewed your profile. These types of things. And sometimes, if you don't have LinkedIn set up in a kind of in a normal way, you might get these notifications like a couple every day. And they can be pretty irritating and distracting, especially if you really need to have access to your email to do stuff, which many people do. So here's how to disable these types of notifications. Go to LinkedIn. At the top, find the little icon that says Me, and then click Settings and Privacy. You'll come to a screen that looks something like this. And this screen actually has changed a lot in the past couple of years, so I wouldn't be surprised if it changed again. What you want is communications. Okay. Communicate how you get your notifications, and then sometimes there's push notifications on your device. What we're talking about is email. That example I just showed you, that is an actual email that LinkedIn sent me. Okay, so there's all kinds of things going on here. Maybe thinking, wow, what's going on here? It may be obvious which type of notification we're looking at. In this case, it's the profile notification. So we're just going to click on Profile. Who's viewed your profile? And let me just shrink this a little bit so we can see it more easily. So when you come to the screen, you'll see these toggles, and then you'll see these little pen and pencils. The pencils mean you can edit certain settings within this subgroup, who's viewed your profile. So let's click on that. Right now, I'm getting email frequency individually. That means every time someone views my profile, I'm going to see an email message about that, and I don't want that. You can change it around a little bit. You can do a weekly digest, and maybe that's useful to you if you want to, you know, maybe once a week you can just quickly scan and see how many people have viewed your profile, or see who they are, depending on the type of LinkedIn account you have, or just recommended. And I don't know how LinkedIn chooses which ones are recommended. They probably say, oh, this might be interested to Ian based on his career or the fact that he's searching for a job or whatever. But other people just want to turn it off, and that's what I'm going to do. Email frequency is off. Okay. You can also do it this way, but if you do that, it actually disables everything in the profile group. And maybe you don't want to do that. For instance, skills endorsements, I do want to keep notifications for that, individual skills endorsement. So I want to keep that. But I do want to actually see what it did when I toggled it on and off. It reactivated Weekly Digest. I just want that off. So I won't get any emails about who's viewed my profile. For more information on how to get the most out of LinkedIn, check out our book, LinkedIn in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose. Also on our YouTube channel on in30minutes.com, we have many more videos about LinkedIn that you can check out. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube. And for more information, go to in30minutes.com. This is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, signing out. Thank you so much for watching.